President Emma Chartered Insurance Institute of Ghana, Mr. Solomon Lati, say ene won ene National Insurance Commission be ka won ho abomo na won wa ye registration na won anya ntete wo mu no yie pa se be ya katebone na wo mu no obeyi wafiri.
President Emma Chartered Insurance Institute of Ghana, CIIG, Solomon Lati, ede atudwa say Sese de womo de nhihye pa egu akwemu a bibia eye fine na we eyade abeboa pa ama akontabuo ewonsem akwanim ewo insurance sector nim.
Yeah, so like I said, there are charlatans in the system, and the CIG together with the NIC are planning to register or license every insurance practitioner, especially technical underwriters. So we give them PIN numbers and ID cards, so we know who an underwriter is, so that if someone engages in any practice that is against, typical insurance ethics, etc., then we can identify them and weed them out. So if you have a claim and it is not being settled and you report, we know who the person is and we know how to deal with them.
County Commissioner Emma Insurance no Dr. Justice Yao Ofori enso the same say tuja.
We have to do what is right even if nobody's watching. And as professionals, we should be guided by such disciplines. I believe that with introduction of courses, of conferences like this, the industry, it creates awareness within the industry that despite the fact that we are training people to be professionals, ethics is a must. We should abide by it. We should be doing the right thing even if nobody is actually watching us. I think Ghana is not doing bad. If you look at the African continent, apart from South Africa, that has about 61% of the population buying insurance. In Ghana, the last time we checked, it was about over 30% of Ghanaians buy some kind of insurance, either micro insurance or the traditional insurance. It shows that people are well informed of the benefits of insurance, so they are buying into insurance.